Hello guys, today we are going to see the concept called ARA iteration over the list. Okay, in Lightning, map is not supported. I'm talking about the collection data type. In the Lightning, map is not supported in Lightning. Only list and set are supported in the Lightning. So now today we are going to discuss about list data type. File, new, Lightning component LC, ARA iteration list underscore data type. Close the description. ARA attribute name is equal to names. Type is equal to list data type. Default I just need to give some names. R में धर्मा, RJUN Arjuna, Bhima, KHRN Karna. Let's consider there are 4 names. Now let me consider a lightning card. Lightning card title is equal to iteration of names on list of names. Iteration on list of names. This is the correct way. Now we need to define ARA iteration. ARA iteration. See friends, for iterating we need items. So ITEMS items is equal to, already I told you. So whenever if you want to display whenever you want to display what is there in the attribute, you should follow a simple basic syntax, that is exclamatory v dot attribute name. The attribute name is names. So these are the items. In these names only we have these items. We are iterating those items one by one. Okay. And variable, you can give anything. Variable equal to, it is n names, right? I can give n. Now, define each one, just write n here. That's it. So otherwise they will come in a line. To make them in the list, I'll go for break tag. That's it. If I do go for double break tag, the gap between the two is more. That's it. File, new, lightning application. Copy this one. Make it as LA. Submit. Close the description. C colon, Control V. ext and extends force colon slds. Yes, iteration on list of names. Okay, now I will define one more attribute like this. Control V. Here I will write numbers. Numbers. Here it is not list. I can say integer array. Default 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I will take one more lightning card. Control C, Control V. This time iteration on list of array of numbers. Control S. Update the preview. Yes, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Now let me go to the another attribute. I will consider the same attribute like this. One more attribute, not this one. This is quite similar. Control V. Names equal to st names. String of array of string. Names are now RAS. Krishna, Rama, Sita, Lakshman. Lakshman. So I will take one more card like this. Control V. Array of string. St names. S S SN string names. Why it is showing red mark? Failed to save R iteration disturbed data type. The value of attribute title associated with element type lightning card must not contain the lightning card. Sorry, it's fine. Control S. Update. Yes, there are three lists we have. Now if you go to, so this is about the iteration, but we should also use the previous class information, that is how to use the layout. So now I will go to lightning colon layout. Inside lightning GHT NING lightning colon layout item size equal to, I can say 6. Now I will define a card. Lightning card of title card is inside layout but outside RATI1 iteration. Now the output becomes, see the same iteration, whatever we did here, same iteration I will do here. See the output, what kind of output we can expect here is, there will be item, there will be a size, that means of this much length card will display, only one card will be available because card is available outside the iteration, right? Let me check the output, save, update, yes. See, there will be a card which will be having half of the length of the screen, right? Now, there is no rule like a card should be inside the layout should be out inside the card. There is no rule, I think. A card can be placed inside the layout can be placed inside the card. But when layout is there, there must be inside, layout item should be there. Layout item should not be outside the layout. This is only the rule, okay? When layout is there, layout item should be inside only. If layout item is there, that should be inside the layout. Card can be there anywhere. That's not a big deal. Now I will define lightning card title iteration of list, otherwise no need to write this much. Card is outside layout and outside iteration, RI iteration, outside RI iteration. That means here also only one card will be created. Inside this lightning card, now I'll go to define lightning layout. Lightning layout inside this I will define lightning colon layout item size, you can give any size equal to 6. Inside this I will define same RI iteration. You can take any iteration, no problem. Numbers iteration or names iteration, array of string iteration, no problem. Control S, update the preview. Yeah, see, here also card is outside because the card is full length, because layout actually controls the length of the card, but layout is out inside the card. So here the card is outside the layout, so that's why you will get full length. Now you got the point. Okay, so now let me go to the next stage. Now I will define lightning colon layout inside layout. We will define lightning layout item of size equal to some 6. Now I will define card. Otherwise, already we did defining card here also. That is also we did. Okay. Now I will define RA iteration here. RA iteration. Now I am defining RA iteration here. Inside the RA iteration, I am defining lightning card. Title. Card is inside layout, but title is card is inside layout and inside iteration. Now we will get more cards. Now we will get, sorry, control S. We will get 4 cards. Update preview. Yeah, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So because for each item there should be one card is created, right? For each card there should be one item is created. For example, if I write multiple rows equal to true, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. Let me check that one also. If layout multiple rows is equal to true, save, update preview. Oh, I didn't get. Let me go to that. Multiple rows equal to true. Yeah, 1 second. We got this one because the iteration should be here. The iteration should be somewhere here. Control V, Control X. After this one, we need right here. Now we will get like this. Now we will get the output as we expected. Yes, fine. So if I want to get some gap between these two, I should go for PADD and padding is equal to AR update preview. Yes, fine. So this is what we are expecting. Thank you very much.